With piles of receipts and documents? In today's video, we'll show you how Xero makes uploading and managing your financial paperwork easy and efficient right from your computer. Let's get started. Navigate to the Company tab, select the files. Here, you can email documents directly into the File section of Xero using a unique email address. This method is ideal for keeping essential documents and receipts separate from unpaid bills for tax purposes. Any attachments sent to this address automatically generate a draft bill. It's a fantastic way to streamline your paperwork. Sometimes you might already have a digital copy of a receipt on your computer. In that case, I recommend using a screenshot. Simply select your image, crop it to capture the necessary details, and save it as a PNG, PDF, or JPEG file. These are the formats Xero accepts. Once your file is ready, head back to your Xero account and click Upload Files. You can either browse for the file or drag and drop it directly. This method ensures your receipts are neatly organized in your Xero files. And there you have a few straightforward ways to upload documents and receipts into your Xero account. Note, don't forget, if you ever need to upload a receipt and you're away from your computer, simply use your phone to snap a picture and email it to your Xero files for sorting later. And there you have it. With SaasAnt transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.